Hi and welcome to part 3rd of this 5-lesson series called Stop Saying Very in English. Stop saying very in English, where you are upgrading your English, adding 50 new smart words in place of very. And I'm sure that you will become more confident and better at your English communications. If you have missed our last 2 parts of this series, there's a link given in descriptions, or you can click on this I button at the right top of this video, and I'm sure that the previous lessons can make you more confident. In part 1 and 2, we have covered 10 plus 10, the 20 smart words that you can use in place of very, and I believe that you have already started using them in your conversations. So today I have another set of 10 advanced English words that you should start using them instead of very. And thank you so much for watching our last videos and sharing your lovely comments. Hope you'll become more good at English conversations. So let's start. If you like our videos, then please hit the like button and share your lovely comments in the comment sections. And please do not forget to subscribe and share. Let's get started. The first word that this session starts with is very clever. The 21st century's students are very clever. Now, the very clever word need to be stopped. And in place of very clever, the new word that we should start using is intelligent. So let's use it in a sentence. We can say now, the 21st century students are intelligent. So simple, right? Let's move on to the second word, and that is very eager. Today's children are very eager to learn new things. Of course, as we can see, children are very quick learner, right? And they love to learn the new things every day. And that's the reason they are so upgraded. Let's replace the very eager word with a new word called keen. So in the place of very eager, we can use keen. We can say, today's children are keen to learn new things. So we should stop saying very eager and start using the keen, right? So let's move on to the word number 3rd, and that is very evil. An example, he got evil mindset. Now, the very evil can be replaced with a new word called wicked. Wicked. And we can say, he got wicked mindset. Right? Let's move on to the 4th word, and that is very cute. So let's see what word can be used in the place of very cute. Let's look at with few examples. The baby is very cute. Now, the very cute word can be replaced with a new word called adorable. So now, we can say the baby is adorable. So we can use adorable word in place of very cute, isn't it? Let's move on to the word number 5th, and that is very dirty. Some news anchors are using very dirty language. As we all know that nowadays many anchors are using very dirty language while presenting their thoughts. So let's change this very dirty word with a new word called filthy. So rather than saying very dirty, we can say filthy, right? Now we can say some news anchors are using filthy language in their presentations, in their anchoring, isn't it? Let's move on to the word number 6th, and that is very talented. And of course, you all are very talented, and that's the reason you're watching this video, right? Let's look at this very talented in an example. Like, your kid is very talented. We frequently listen to this word called talented. So instead of using very talented, we can use a new word called gifted. That sounds so good to listen, So we should stop saying your kid is very talented, and we can make the parents happy saying your kid is gifted. That sounds pretty good, isn't it? Let's move on to the word number 7th, and that is tasty. Of course, very tasty. The dinner of last night was very tasty. Now, the very tasty word can be replaced with a new word called delicious. And we can say the dinner of last night was delicious. Right? Let's move on to the word number 8, and that is very big. The asteroid that was seen yesterday was very big. Now, the very big word can be replaced with a new word called massive. And we can say the asteroid that was seen yesterday was massive. So we have stopped using the very big and we have replaced that with a beautiful word called massive. Let's move on to the word number 9th of the session, and that is very lazy. Right? Sometimes we become so lazy, right? So now the very lazy word can be replaced with a new word called indolent. He got indolent after his first match. Now let's move on to the last word of the session, that is very great. Let's look at them with examples. That was a very great idea. Now the very great word can be replaced with a new word called terrific. That was a terrific idea. So rather than saying very great, we can say terrific. Right? Before you click on to the next video, let's go for quick revision what we learned today. So we learned like very clever can be replaced with intelligent, very eager, keen, very evil, wicked, very cute, adorable, very dirty, filthy, very talented, gifted, very tasty, delicious, very big, massive, very lazy, indolent, very great, terrific. Hope this video has helped you a lot. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. So see you in the next video, that is part number 4 of the series called Stop Saying Very in English. Until that, take care and have a great time.